Morning, welcome back to the channel. Today we were planning on going and spraying, as you probably saw in the last video, depending on whether or not I got that video uploaded. But yeah, I saw the forecast showed wind. Well, look at the flag. Yeah, we're not spraying today. So we're gonna switch things up a little bit. We're gonna go and haul some chicken manure today. We get to take Dad's old dually. We got it pop started. Apparently the radio was left on and it's been sitting. So, but yeah, I'm gonna have to put a little power steering fluid in. Alright, we are here at the dock. Gonna get loaded with dry chicken manure. Had to make a pit stop for an ice cream cone, so I'm not too malnourished. Get me through the day. This works. This is a pick rate spreader. There's different manure spreaders, they work different ways. So this is what they call solid spreader. Now this is pretty runny manure. There's a gate at the back, a hydraulic gate opens up. You have beaters. You turn on the PTO to spin the beaters. Then you turn on hydraulics to both open the tailgate and to run what we call the web or the floor paddles that feed it out the back. You just saw I actually turned the hydraulic flow back. We're gonna have to try it and see where it is, but we cut the flow back so it doesn't dump it really heavy, because this will really improve the rye and give it some extra added nutrients, but too much is too much. So if you're not careful, you can drown it basically and bury it. So we got to really be careful with this liquid stuff. Alright, Dad gave us the go-ahead. I was doing a little wiring while I was waiting. Basically the seat switch is broken, but there's wires down below here, and when we had the seat tore out, we left the spare wire, so I'm going to put a push button on the fender here. Maybe while I'm waiting between loads, and I can push a button and put the seat up. So the way this works, idle it, PTO on, and full throttle, and we're just gonna try and keep it moving now. I'm going to close the tailgate over that spot, over where this bare spot is, because I really don't want to ding up the new growth. We did plant just to try and help it recover, hopefully. So yeah, so we'll open her up a little bit, and yeah, we're going about 7 miles per hour. We got to keep it moving kind of, because we don't want to overdo it. I'm just keeping my edge back. I'm probably gonna make another swipe along the driveway, but till I get the hang of how this is working with this unit, you know, I don't have a lot of experience running this thing. I'm actually not hardly doing anything there. It's alright, we'll do a little something on the next pass maybe. So this one apparently is hooked up to the gate. Tyler's wheeling in. So that means hopefully if I get this thing here empty, I can go grab some electrical supplies and tinker with these wires in between. So I decided I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Yes, I know I didn't turn off the PTO. Sorry. I guess I wasn't being safe, but I stayed clear of it. I was just sitting here with the door open because the AC hasn't been working. And yeah, I went to pull front and closed the door to pull front. And well, we have no more door. I literally have no idea what broke it. There's no metal near it. It just broke. I mean, you can see the weather strip. I got pieces of glass in the seat. I don't know, there's a little bit of glass. Can't really see it, but there's a little bit of glass on my clothing. Like, there's a piece of glass. I had it in my hand, I got it out, but well, if the AC wasn't working before, it is now. I got plenty of ventilation. Just can't win. In case you're wondering what's bumping, it's the switch panel to the screen monitor that was here. I took it off while I was waiting for Dad to film me because the touch screen is broken, so I sent it off. We're gonna send it off before spring planting. While we're at it, we should get the shocks because it just bounces in and out. It won't stay. The back window doesn't stay open. It's kind of annoying. Update, I'm cold. Now that I don't have a door and my AC wasn't working, the sun's going down. You can see the shadow behind the chicken house. And yeah, it's getting cold now. So Tyler's here getting filled now. This is where I was the last time when I had the door open because of no AC. And I closed the door and shattered. And I thought you might be interested to see the mess on the ground. That's the other half of my door. So yeah, Dad's really pleased that actually he's taking it pretty good. So my hitch just broke off and manure is flowing out of the front. Not good. So I'm going to try to pull the PTO shaft off and take the safety chain, which is hanging by, and just drag it up the hill, get it out of the driveway. So we're just very cautiously dragging it with the safety chain to try and get it away from the creek because yeah, we just won't let it get to the creek, that's all, because there's a little stream here that passes through. It just broke the top of the yoke right off. So we got the PTO unhooked, we drug it by the safety chains, and I'm gonna get the track hoe. So down there where it happened, I don't know if you can see it in the video or not, couldn't have picked the worst spot to break the tongue because the impact of it knocked some things loose, so it started leaking about 10 feet away from the creek. But luckily with the safety chain we were able to pull it away. Another thing, quite conveniently, is that 100 yards away there is our 160 track hoe. So you can see right there. So we're gonna get a chain. Tyler's back. He's gonna bring the Super Duty. We'll get a chain wrapped around the tongue, get it picked up, and then we'll try and get it repaired. You can see the marks where we drug it. Dad's gonna soon have second thoughts about letting me operate machinery, you know it. Gonna get into heavy lift mode. Alright, can you get the jack? Go ahead, unhook. Oh, I stuck my fingers in poop. So that bolt goes through it, I guess. I can't get onto it.
Me neither. But it's going to work. You going the right way or you tight?
I'm going the right way. It moves.
It moves. Okay.
Here. So that all hangs on that. Alright. So we got her, well, Dad welded her up for us. He stacked some dimes. It's still hot. So Tyler's gonna come down here and we're gonna try and slide her together, get it hooked back up, and hopefully at the very least get the weight off of it for the night, get it emptied. Alright, we can't get this bolt through. I don't know if you can see it right there. It just don't quite go. And if we try and back up to hook up, it puts the stress on that. So we got the hoe lifting off the jack. Tyler's looking for a block to put behind the wheel. It's going! I saw it move! What? Tyler got this guy here started, so I'll hook the PTO back up. Maybe. Apparently we have only one light, and that's our front light, so I'm just gonna use my imagination about what's happening out the back. Well, as always, thank you for watching the Walnut Hollow point of view, where every day we break something new and you never know what you're gonna find. I mean, yeah, we got broken door, we've got a flat tire, flat outer dual. It doesn't look flat, but it's flat. And a broken hitch. Well, what was broken. So thanks for watching. Hopefully like, subscribe, whatever. And yeah, we'll see you back again next time at Walnut Hollow point of view.